Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know.
What is up, everyone? So for today's vlog, we'll be reviewing another product from Shopee. Most of you probably know what these are, especially the TikTokers. But if you don't, it's basically a LED street lights that has different colors. But for this one, we just purchased a cheap one that includes red, green, blue light colors only. By the way, I've already said this before, but whenever I shopping online, I make it a habit check the reviews first before purchasing the product to know its quality or the safetyness of the item. Further to, let's get started. So 10 meters yung binili ko para magkasya sa buong room and lalagay ko siya sa ceiling. It comes with a remote and adapter. May nakita pala ako online na 196 for 5 meters but feeling ko hindi siya kakasya sa room kaya 10 meters yung binili ko. At first, I was thinking kung paano ko siya ikakabit kasi meron siyang tawag dito, adhesive tape, like 3M adhesive tape. Sa nyo dito, meron siyang maliit na letters like R, G, B. Pwede nyo ito ilagay sa likod ng TV nyo or sa likod ng headboard, tapos sa ceiling. Pero for me, lalagay ko siya sa ceiling para dakilang TikTokers ito. Ang tubo-tubo ng pisngi. O, sige. Pakita mo yung Shopee haul natin, o. Yan. Shopee haul. Kin. Nuna. Saan? Sige. Ikaw bahala, Brad. Magaling ka dyan. Yan. Ano? Ano laki? That's my shit. Okay, so nasira yung remote ko pala. Buti na lang dalawang in-order ko. Meron pa tayo. Brad. Madali lang ba siya ikabet?
Madali lang ba ito niya?
Ito ang aking personal assistant. Okay, so I'm back and sad thing is hindi gumagana yung remote ko and hindi ko naman siya mare-return since it's from China pa tapos matatagalan. Good thing then is nabilan ko ng isa yung kapatid ko ng LED strip lights kaya nagagamit ko yung remote niya. Universal naman nata to as long as from the same shop kayo bumili. So yeah, try muna natin siya with lights. Yung red, green, off, tapos meron siyang iba't ibang color, parang pag pinag-combine lang siya. Although red, green, blue lang talaga yung strip lights niya. Pag yan, i-combine niya lang siya. Then meron siyang flash. So, try naman natin patayin yung ilaw. Try natin patayin yung ano ko. Okay, so ito na yung green. Ayan. Sabi nila, pag daw red, parang Netflix and chill yung aura. And then, green, tapos blue for TikTokeries. Tapos meron light blue, orange, tapos white. Ayan. Yung flash, yung pag party-party.